Ready? Ready? Good. Show you including a shoe rack for all you shoeies out there. Then call down into the hold on. It's still rolling. 1,200 square foot. Hold on. Square foot flag, and that's exactly what I here as a 3. Yeah. Into everybody that has seen it so far. Let's just redo that one. And so, do you want more over there? 77th Street, one of the most desired blocks on the Upper East Side. Yeah, let me just needs that you have. If you'd like a new video, then ornate. We'll start that over. Downstairs, full-time doorman. I should have edited that. That was too much. Like the actual gym we came from. All right, I didn't know how to end that. So if you're looking for luxury, okay, sophistication in a, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna say that. In this residence with flooring, oh my gosh. A 1,200, oh my gosh, almost 1,200, don't stop it. In Halcyon. Am I saying it right?